Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, I still think there's a good chance we are in a downtrend on the higher time frames, and the trend is not over. Now, this is looking like an ABC correction to the last impulsive move down. So, we have impulsive up, likely a wave A. This move down is actually pretty impulsive also, but it's likely a wave B because of the higher low. And I think we are likely in a wave C right now. If we go to the 78%, which is right around the 148 area, make an impulsive engulfing down, make a breaker structure, I definitely would take it as a short because of the higher time frame trend still being down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.